This session will teach you how to create and change your ConVoid profile. You must configure your profile when launching ConVoid for the first time in a project. In the profile settings, you must specify your name, discipline, user interface language, and project language. This information indicates later who created, modified, and approved an opening. Language user interface. Choose a language to display in the ConVoid user interface. ConVoid supports various languages. Project language. We recommend selecting the corresponding project language here if your project is in a different language. This will enable ConVoid to document information regarding the approval and changes of openings in the selected language. Profile name. Choose a unique profile name to identify yourself to other project participants when creating, changing, or approving an opening. Discipline. Choose your discipline to inform other project participants who created, changed, or approved the opening. Once you have set up your profile, ConVoid will assign your initials to you. If you need to make changes to your profile, you can do so in the ConVoid Manager. We strongly advise against making changes to your profile while working on an active project, as this could lead to confusion over who created, changed, or approved a particular opening. Now you're all set to move on to the next step.